Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel, which is Bisaya Programming, under the series of Learn Java Language series number 10. So please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then I will use English and Bisaya as my dialect or language para sa mga Cebuano nga mga programmers or mga Bisaya nga mga aspirant programmers na gusto mag-cut-on when it comes to Java programming. So you can check also my playlist na ang to. Then for a window builder, if you want to build a Windows application using the Java language, you can check my playlist. So this is the very basic, and this is the part or the series number 10, which is the Java switch statement. So in this tutorial, we will learn to use the switch statement in Java to control the flow of your program's execution with the help of the examples. Ang switch statement allows you to execute a block of code among many alternatives. Sumura siya og selection ba nga if ang usa ka kani if dili siya mag-work, then next na pod, then if kani siya dili mag-work, next na pod, and so on. So muna siya ang switch statement sa Java. So this is an example of a switch statement. So for example, switch expression, then case value muna siya, then if dili ni mao, then case value number 2, and so on and so on and so on. So after that one, mura siya og nag-default na dayon. So if wala diri sa mga cases nga naa dira, then ang default value ang mo print out. Mura siya og if-else statement gihapon, but in a switch case lang siya nga format. So how does the switch case statement work? The expression is evaluated once. So ang expression daw iyang evaluate og kausa, and then iya ding i-compare ang iyang values sa each cases. For example, this one, ang expression dere, for example, x is equals to 10. So iya ding ikaw na to nga kaniba is equal to 10 or dili na mao kaniba or kanibang sunod na sa na case. So if wala sa mga cases, then ang default nga statement mao siya mag-print out. So if expression matches with value, kanida mag-matches sa value, then the code of case value is executed. So similarly, the code of case value number 2 is executed if expression matches with value 2. Ana lang na siya. So if sa ako nang giingon ganiha nga, if there is no match, then the code of the default case is executed. Take note, the working of the switch case statement is similar to Java if-else if ladder. So sa ako nang giingon ganiha nga the same siya sa if-else statement. However, the syntax of the switch case statement is cleaner and much easier to read and write. So this is an example of a Java switch statement. So sa ato nang gikuan pag previous na to nga discussion nga this is a Java comment. This is a single line comment. So if wala pa kakibaw ani, you can check my previous video to check what is Java comment. So this is only a comment to show that this is a Java program to check the size using the switch case statement. Then we have here our first line, which is class main, public static void main, string arguments, and number equals 44. So string size. So in our first switch here, switch statement to check size, so switch number. So ang value sa number is 44. So there is a case 29, which is 29 yung value. So dili man siya equivalent sa 44, din ni siya nga i-reject. So arin na siya sa case number, sa case next. So sa case next is 42 ang value. So since our value here is 44, so meaning false gihapon ni siya. So iyan na po ni siyang i-reject. Then next, ang case number 3 is equivalent to 44. Then nagmatch siya sa ato ang variable nga 44 ang iyahang value, which is this is correct. So mag-print out ang large nga size. Now, So as stated dire sa ato ang comment, match the value of week. So case 44 size large. So mo print out ang large. Then in case nga wala siya, for example 44 niya dire kay 29, 42 niya dire kay walay 44, for example 45 ni, then 48, ang default value mao'y mag-print out. So this is our system that out that print ln nga size, this is the string plus this is the concatenated which is size. So ang size is ang ato ang string. Mag-print out dayon siya. This is the output, size large. Okay? So you can try to copy this one in your Eclipse and try to experiment the code. Try to change the code here para at least makita ninyo. Dira. And try to check if the same ba ang output sa inyo ha. Ang kaning ako nga example dire. So this is the explanation. In the above example, we have used the switch statement to find the size. Here, we have variable number. The variable is compared with the value of each case statement. So iyang i-compare. So if mag-match siya, then ang kana siya nga value or kana nga statement mo na siya ang iyang i-output. Otherwise, kung dili siya mag-match, mangita siya lain nga mag-match siya. I hope nga na-gets ra. So since the value matches with 44, the code of case 44 is executed. So mo to siya nag-output og size large. Flowchart of switch case statement. Expression matches value 1. So if yes, code block executed. So if no, another match sa bunyang pangitaon. So if yes, code block 2 is executed. So if mahitabo nga no gihapon, matches, the value for this case, if yes, code block 3 is executed. Otherwise, if no tanan, ang default code ang mag-execute. Dayon, yun i-switch terminate. So muna siya ang example nga flowchart sa switch statement. Break statement in Java switch case. So notice that we have been using break in each case block. So as nakabantay mo na atay break nga ginbutang. Kay kung wala na break, meaning ang duha ka case, mao na siya ang mag-print out. So the break statement is used to terminate the switch case statement. If break is not used, all the cases after the matching case are also executed. Now, for example, this one. Expression is 2. So expression, so si case 1, system that out of the case 2, the case 2, system that out that print ln. So without using the kaning mga break, so mag-print out ang tanan na hinuon. So muna siya ang resulta. Case 2, nag-print out. Case 3, nag-print out. And default case is nag-print out. To try to explore this one using your IDE, preferred IDE nga ginagamit nimo, either it is Eclipse or NetBeans. So try to use this one and try to eliminate the break syntax. Try at least makita ninyo. Okay? So we will proceed. In the above example, expression matches with case 2. Here, we haven't used the break statement after each cases. So, nahitabo nga nag-print out dayon. All the cases after case 2 are also executed. This is why the break statement is needed to terminate the switch case statement after the matching case. Default case in Java switch case. So the switch statement also includes an optional default case. It is executed when the expression doesn't match any cases. Now for example, this one, if wala siya, expression is equals to 9, then there is a case, value is 2, wala, case 3, none, then ang default dayon ang mag-executed. So wala siya. So try to put this one also in your Eclipse or in your NetBeans or any IDE nga gingamit nimo when it comes to Java language. Then try to put expressions nga wala magmatch sa any value and then ang default value ang mag-print out. So in the above example, we have created a switch case statement. Here, the value of expression doesn't match any of the cases. That's why nag-output ang unknown size because here our string in our system out.println is unknown size. Anyway, you can change here man, you can change any dire sa ato ang string. So hence the code inside the default case is executed. No? So as a result, kay kung wala man to siya dire, nag-match ang iyang value, as a result, nag-execute ni siya nga kani nga syntax. So take note, Java switch statement only works with if primitive data types like byte, short, char, and int. Then enumerated types, string class, wrapper classes like character, byte, short, and integer. So i-take note na ninyo, it will only works in this scenario. So that is for the Learn Java Language series number 9 for the Java switch statement. So if you have comments, suggestions, or any, you can put that one in the comment box below, and do not forget also to subscribe to my channel Bisaya Programming and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you and see you on the next video. Have a nice day.